Okay, so on this assignment, we are finding the area of the triangle using either the side angle side formula, which is what these two are, or Heron's area formula where we're given a side triangle. So these are the formulas that we're going to be using. So the way that we determine which formula to use is we kind of look at the angle that they gave us. So like for example on number 1, they gave us the angle C. So we're going to use the formula that has angle C, which is this one over here. So the area is 1/2 A times B sine of C. So we are going to basically fill those things out. So across from angle A is side A, across from angle B is side B. So in place of A, we put a 6. In place of B, we put 10. And we multiply that by the sine of C, which is 110. So this we can type into the calculator, and that's going to give us the area. Okay, so make sure your calculator is in degrees, and we're going to type it in just like it looks. So instead of 1/2, I'll put 0.5 times 6 times 10, and then the sine of 110 degrees. So we get 28.19. So we'll just round it to the one decimal place. So we'll say 28.2. Okay, so we're going to find the area of this one now. Now this one they gave us angle B, so we want to use this middle equation here. And the way we can tell is basically the angle they gave us. So the area is 1/2. So across from angle A is side A, across from angle C is side C. So we're going to replace the A with 92, the C with 30, and we're going to multiply that by the sine of the angle, which is 1/3. Okay, so now we're going to take that and we're going to plug it into the calculator. So we have 1/2 times 92 times 30 times the sine of 130 degrees. So on this one we get 1057.14. So we're going to round it to one decimal place. So since this is a 4, we round down. So it's 1057.1. Okay, so number 3, here we're given a side-side-side triangle. So on this one, we're going to have to use Heron's area formula. So here's the area formula. Now, notice there is S, A, B, and C. What S represents is what's called the semi-perimeter, or half the perimeter. So the way we find that is we basically take our perimeter, which would be A plus B plus C, and we divide that by 2. So across from A is side A, across from angle C is side C, across from angle B is side B. So the first thing we need to do is to find S. So we're going to add all of our sides together. And we're going to divide that by 2. So if we add all those together, okay, so I'm going to add everything in the numerator. Which is 54, and then we're going to divide that by 2. Having trouble today. Which is 27. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use S is going to be 27, so we're going to fill that in here, 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 and here. And A, B, and C are coming from the triangle. So we have 27 times 27 minus A, which is 12, times 27 minus B, which is 24, times S, which is 27, minus C, which is 18. So what we're going to do now is type that all in the calculator. Okay, so we're going to type that in just like it looks. So we get 104.57. So since the second decimal place is higher than 5 or higher, we're going to round up. So it's going to be 104.6. Okay, so we're going to round up. So it's going to be 104.6. Okay, so for number 4, we're going to do the same thing. This time, though, we basically just have different numbers. So the first thing we need to do is to find our semi-perimeter, which is S, which we're going to take all of our sides. So if you need to label them, you can, but really as long as you use everything, it's okay. So we're going to have 25 plus B, which is 35, plus C, which is 32. And we're going to divide all those by 2. Which we get 92, and when we divide by 2, we get 46. So S is 46 in this case. So now to find the area, we're going to plug S, A, B, and C into the equation. So we have S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So when we type all of that in, that's going to give us our answer. So we have 385.69, so the 9 makes the first decimal place round up, so it's going to be 385.7.